we're not manipulating the genes or DNA in any of these. This isn't a scary science as it's sometimes made out to be in the media. This is a very practical, scientific way of approaching some real-life problems that face animal producers in agriculture industries today. My name's Clay Isom. I'm an assistant professor, research and teaching at Utah State University in the College of Agriculture. Give you a little bit of background. I grew up in Wyoming, spent my whole life there, grew up on a ranch, very closely involved with agriculture. We use techniques and equipment in my line of research that you might have seen actually on popular TV shows like CSI or Forensic Files or you know, shows like that where we're doing actual genetic research. So much of the work that I do as a research professor is sitting at the laboratory bench. The things that we do in our laboratory is actually a little bit like the detective work that they would undertake in some of these TV programs, in that there's, for example, maybe a failed embryo development or an embryo that has failed to develop, and we would like to study the reasons for that failed development. And so there are going to be a number of clues, perhaps genetic in origin, that we could look at, and so we undertake this pretty sophisticated and methodical approach to much like the scientists on TV would undertake. The only real thing that's necessary as a research scientist is a desire, a real desire to solve mysteries, to be involved in that kind of research. One of the most exciting things in research is to design a set of experiments and then to carry those set of experiments out to answer a question that nobody has answered before, and come up with one of those moments that you can proclaim to the world that you discovered something that nobody else has discovered, and that is a thrill.